What's up, TMI subscribers? I'm going to be doing a review. You can probably
no,
guess.
you're not.
I am.
Well, screw you, because I'm in the call, and I'm not going to be answering any of yours.
That's okay. I need to make this review anyway. So, this is going to be of the pocket Simons, both the big and the little. Yes, there's two different types. And this was made before the Simon 2, actually. The Simon 2 was made in 2000. The big one was made in 1980, the smaller one 1988. Okay, yes, I said that correctly. Okay, let's take a look at the design. So starting with the big one. It's got a circle up top with the 4 buttons, and then it's got like a rectangle half at the bottom. Well, it's more of a square, with the bottom of the circle cutting into it a little bit. You've got 3 buttons, one on the left, one in the middle, and one on the right. The left, the left and right are the scores, the last and longest. I don't remember which one's which, but we'll find out in the video. And then, of course, the middle is start. There's 2 switches. The left one is for games. You have off, 1, 2, and 3. And the right is for level difficulty, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Turning it onto the back, you don't have much. You've got your writing on... There's a picture on the battery door. Your writing is right above, right where the circle starts. And then your speakers on the back as well. They didn't do a good job with the speakers because you could push them in and possibly damage it. Now, let's go into the little one description. The little one is just a circle. They're like, you know what? Let's combine everything into one little small game. So, let's start with the front. You've got the 4 color buttons. On the big one, they're big and plastic, and well, they're all plastic, but they're big and rough. And the buttons are plastic. The center one is plastic, but it's got more rubberish on it. It is rubber. On the little one, the buttons are plastic. All the buttons are plastic. Oh, didn't mean for that to happen. And then the buttons, the colored buttons, are bumpy. So, there's a button in between each 2 colors. So between, now both have the traditional Simon, which is green on the top left, red on top right, blue on bottom right, and yellow on bottom left. So, between the green and the red is the last button, your last score. Between the red and the blue is your best score that you've gotten. And every time the game shuts off, it literally shuts off the scoring too. Between yellow and blue is the game button. And then between blue and green, yellow and green, is the difficulty level button. You're probably saying that the play button is in the center of all the buttons. Quite wrong, actually. That's false. It's right in front of the red button, diagonally in front. Don't ask why it's there. I don't know. Turning it onto the back, you've got your writing between, your writing is going to be between the green and the yellow buttons. And then you've got your battery door. The speaker is also on the back. I don't exactly know where the speaker is on this, but I'm guessing it's got to be on the back. Oh, it's right here. The speakers between your green and yellow buttons as well. Oh wait, the writing is between the blue and the yellow, and then the speakers between the green and the yellow. So, the battery doors, the 1980, flip it on the back, and it's at the back of the rectangle. It's got a little arrow. You push your thumb that way, and it opens. It's a slider. I like the slide doors. They're nice. They don't require a screwdriver. It takes 2 AA's and a 9 volt. 9 volt, 2 AA's? Okay, that's odd. The double A's are for the lights, actually. So I took them out, and I just play with the 9 volt to save 2 double A's. The 9 volt's what produces the sound. So if you don't want any sound, if you want to mute your big pocket Simon, just take out the 9 volt. Now the little pocket Simon, it has a Phillips head, and it takes 3 triple A's. It's on the back. You'll find a little screw there. So let's play. What games do these have? And what levels? They all have levels 1 through 4, and they both have 3 games. They've got game 1 is Simon, where you just, play the normal Simon game. Lights, sounds, and it will add 1 each time you get it correct. If not, it will not do the next one. Obvious. Game 2 is called Challenge Simon. That's where you make up your own sequence. It gives you the first one to start out with, and you just make it up as you go. The third is Group Simon, which is where you can't choose how many players are in, but it will start with all 4, and then whichever player gets it wrong, that color that their player is out. So it's eliminating players to the final battle between 2 colors. So all 4 players are in, and if red lost, then green, yellow, and blue would be in. If blue lost, green and yellow, and then whoever won between there would win. So they both got the same games, same everything, just in a different style. Okay, let's get playing. We're going to start with the big pocket Simon. So you turn the switch to the right 1 time on the left switch, and you press the start button. That's the highest pitch, highest tone. That's the third. Red, green, red. Red, green, red, red, green, blue, yellow, yellow. And I beat it. Okay, that's when you get it wrong. Okay, so the right is the longest, the left is the last. Now, and it speeds up on the 5th one, and then it speeds up on the 6th one. And the little pocket Simon speeds up on the 7th one. So 8, 16, 24, and 32 are the levels. I've gotten all the way, I've beaten the big pocket Simon. I actually beat it in a video on my channel, which y'all probably know about my channel. It's in the channels tab, along with all the other people in Test Mode Insiders. And then you've also got, I've gotten 21 points on level 4 on the little one, because it goes fast. Green, yellow, blue, red. I got confused. Green, yellow, blue. Oh, I chose... Yeah. Red. Ah. Let me beat level 1. Yep. Alright, let's go play Challenge Simon. I'm the big one. Oh, I failed on the 8th sequence. I beat it on that. Easy. It's so easy. And then Group Simon. So red is out, or blue. No, that was green. Because green was pressed. Now it's between blue and yellow. Yellow, blue, yellow. And whoever finishes the sequence first wins. So, because blue messed up, yellow messed up, blue won. Alright, now I'm gonna beat it on this. And since green finished off the sequence, green won. Alright. I was right. Green won. Okay, never mind. I guess that's all for this video. Now, let's play Double Bop with this. You know what? Okay, let's set it to level 1. Here we go. Too hard. Okay. Well, that was it for this video. It was short, but it was nice. So, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video, even though that's not the outro. Or the intro.